أنا سعيدا جدا أن تكون زيارة الخارجية الأولى بعد انتخاب رئيس الوزراء لباكستان إلى المملكة العربية السعودية الشقيقة. I am delighted that after assumption of office as the Prime Minister of Pakistan, my first visit abroad is to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This reflects the high importance that Pakistan has to its special relationship with Saudi Arabia, which is historic in nature and strategic in significance. I am grateful to the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia, His Royal Highness Mohammed bin Salman, for his gracious invitation for the visit. Pakistan and Saudi Arabia are bound by deep-rooted and abiding fraternal ties, which are built on the solid foundation of mutual trust and mutual support. The people of Pakistan hold the custodian of the two holy mosques in the highest esteem.